Pseudolithos Migiurtinus is a fascinating and unique succulent plant native to the arid regions of northeastern Africa, particularly in Somalia. It belongs to the family Apocinaceae and the subfamily Asclepiadoideae. The plant is known for its intriguing appearance, resembling a small stone or pebble, which helps it blend into its rocky desert environment. The plant has a spherical or slightly cylindrical shape, often growing to about 5 to 15 centimeters in height and 3 to 10 centimeters in diameter. It has a lumpy or warty surface. The color ranges from grayish-green to brownish-green, which further aids in its camouflage among rocks. The flowers are small, typically about 1 centimeter in diameter. They are usually pale green or yellowish with a purplish tinge, appearing from the top of the plant. The flowers emit an unpleasant smell, often compared to that of rotting flesh. This odor attracts carrion insects, which are the primary pollinators of the plant. Pseudolithos Migiurtinus is a slow-growing plant. It primarily grows during the warm season and may go dormant during extreme heat or cold. It is propagated mainly through seeds, though this can be challenging due to the specific conditions required for germination. The plant doesn't naturally offset, and it is not possible to take cuttings from it. The plant thrives in very arid, rocky environments, often growing in areas with minimal vegetation. Its natural habitat experiences extreme temperature fluctuations with very high daytime temperatures and cooler nights. In cultivation, Pseudolithos Migiurtinus requires a well-draining soil mix, typically one used for cacti and other succulents, with added sand or grit to enhance drainage. The plant should be watered sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering can quickly lead to root rot, which is a common cause of death for this species in cultivation. It prefers bright, indirect light. Too much direct sunlight can cause the plant to scorch, while too little light can stunt its growth. Being a desert plant, it prefers warm temperatures and should be protected from frost. In its native habitat, Pseudolithos Migiurtinus faces threats from habitat loss due to overgrazing and land development. Additionally, overcollection by succulent enthusiasts has put pressure on wild populations. It is therefore important to source plants from reputable nurseries that propagate plants sustainably. Interesting facts. The plant's stone-like appearance is an excellent adaptation to its harsh environment, where it avoids being eaten by blending in with its surroundings. The unpleasant-smelling flowers are a classic example of saprophyly, a type of pollination syndrome where flowers mimic decaying organic matter to attract flies and other insects that are typically attracted to such odors. Pseudolithos Migiurtinus is a striking example of how plants can adapt to extreme environments, making it a popular and sought-after species among succulent collectors. However, its cultivation requires careful attention to mimic its natural arid conditions.